A lot of people want to make money online, but they are stuck with one question: what digital product should I even learn? If you are that person, this video is for you, because I am going to break it down into a very simple way. No pressure, no confusion, just clarity. Hello, lovings. Welcome to Cake Sources. I am Keke Maris. On this channel, we do not just talk about success, we build it. Mindset, discipline, growth, everything you need to level up and start up your life is here right now. You do not just watch success here, you become it. First, it. First thing, you need to understand this. A digital skill is not something complicated. It is simple, something you can do online that solves real problem for someone. That's what we call digital skill. Something someone is willing to pay for. That is it. It could be a content creation, editing videos, managing social media, or designing flyers, anything you can think of. But here is where people get it wrong. They think it's a skill that just make money. No, solving a problem is the money. Now, let's talk about you. Because the truth is, you do not, or you are not starting from zero. There is already something you should have. Ask yourself this question: what do people normally ask me for help with? What do I enjoy doing without being forced? What can I sit down and learn without getting tired quickly? That is your starting point. Then the next thing, very important, check if people are actually paying for it. Don't guess. Go online. Check platforms like Fiverr, TikTok, or even Instagram. Search for that skill and see if people are actually offering it. Are people buying it? If yes, you are on the right path. Now listen carefully. This is where most people miss it. Pick one skill, not two skills, not five, just one. Because if you keep jumping from one thing to another, you will stay confused. Give yourself 30 days, just 30 days of focus, and you will be shocked how far you can go. When it comes to learning, please don't overcomplete it. You do not need to wait until you have money for courses. Start with what you have. YouTube is a platform where you can learn skills, but don't just watch videos and feel like you are still learning. Practice. If you are learning design, design every day. If you are learning video editing, edit something every day. That is how confidence comes. Now, let me tell you the part most people are scared of: launching. You do not need to be perfect to start. In fact, if you are waiting for perfection, you will never start. Start small, sample your work, offer your service to people around you, even if it is at a low price or even free at first, just to build proof. Because once you have results, confidence will follow, and that is how you start making money. You post your work, you talk about what you do, you reach out to people. Little by little, it starts growing. But let me leave this with you: you are not stuck, you are not behind, you just have not started. That is the only difference between you and the person you are admiring. So, if you have been waiting for a sign, this is it. Start today. Comment below and tell me what skill you are choosing. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone that needs this. See you in my next video. Bye bye.